Good morning, Thailand. My name is Vidas. I'm 37 years old. I quit my office job end of last year to become a scuba diver and travel the world. Thanks to COVID-19, I'm stuck on a tropical island. Welcome to my channel. It's time to have some fun.
Looking for a way out, I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately, I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no.
It's 6 too fucking early a.m. right now. I have no idea why I'm so pumped. I hate 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. 9 a.m. not so much. I'm walking towards my dive shop. I'm going to get my gear sorted, get on a dive boat, and go scuba fucking diving. We are at Sail Rock. It's a big fucking rock. We're getting ready for first dive. We're gonna go down, swim around it, run out of there, and go back to the boat. The visit looks pretty good. Hopefully we're gonna have a good dive. People ask me why I quit my office job, and I ask them why not. Last 10 years I tried living the normal life. Get a job, pay rent, climb the career ladder. Every single day I was more and more miserable. One day I was sitting in the office, staring at my screen, like you're doing right now, and I asked myself, is this the next 30 years of my life? I didn't know what I'm gonna do with my life when I handed my notice in. I had some savings. I wanted to go travel, someplace warm, so I decided to go to Southeast Asia. I searched online what kind of work I could do over there once I ran out of money, and scuba diving came up. I only scuba dived once before in my lifetime, and I didn't hate it. One of the dive shops was offering a 0 to hero dive master package, which sounded perfect to me. 2 months on a small tropical island, unlimited dives. What else do you need? Once I became a dive master, COVID happened. Before I went on my trip, I bought a GoPro. I wanted to take some shots, make a video, post it on YouTube to make my friends and former co-workers jealous. But I was too busy having fun. To be honest, if it wasn't for the quarantine, I would never learn video editing. I like scuba diving, but turns out I love making videos. Now I just need to get good at it and figure out how to make money off it. But don't worry, I'll get there sooner or later. This is my dive buddy and cameraman. 47 years old, still searching for true love. Half of the footage in this video was actually taken by him. He got really good once I gave him a few tips. He's actually a pilot. Yeah, the one that flies planes and shit. Wasn't happy with his life, decided to take a break. And now he's having the time of his life on a tropical island while the world is going crazy over a flu. Ladies, here's his Instagram. Don't be shy, he will be waiting for your messages tonight. He's a great guy. This is Connor. There is nothing special about him. Alright, enough of this sad shit. Let's have some fun. This is what we saw at Sail Rock during our 2 dives. This is the part where I'm going to ask you to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do you guys know what time it is?
Beer time!